If your Kodak Pixpro FZ55 starts behaving unexpectedly, freezes, or camera settings no longer work properly, a factory reset may help refresh everything. Many users notice menu glitches, strange camera behavior, or settings changing unexpectedly after updates or accidental adjustments. Sometimes the camera still turns on normally, yet performance simply does not feel right. In many situations, performing a factory reset on the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 can help clear temporary system interruptions and restore default settings. Before pressing random camera controls repeatedly or changing multiple settings unnecessarily, these are the steps you can try to fix this and factory reset the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 properly. Number 1. Turn on the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 and make sure the camera battery has enough power before beginning the reset process. 2. Press the menu button and open the camera settings section on the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 carefully. 3. Scroll through settings and locate the reset or restore default option available on the camera. 4. Select the factory reset option and confirm the action when the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 asks for approval. 5. Allow the camera to restart and confirm whether the Kodak Pixpro FZ55 works more smoothly afterward.